Have you ever wondered what to do if one of these coolant temperature warning light comes on your car dashboard? In today's video, I'm going to show you the different coolant temperature warning light and what does it really means. We have 4 different coolant temperature warning light. As you are seeing, we have blue coolant temperature warning light, green temperature warning light, yellow temperature warning light, red temperature warning light. As I told you before, we have 4 different coolant temperature warning lights. These 4 types indicate the state of engine temperature. So let's explain it in details one by one. Let's start with a blue temperature warning light. This is blue coolant temperature warning light. This indicates that an engine temperature is too low and it is usually illuminated on dashboard during cold starting. So don't panic and no action is required here. What you have to do is to just wait an engine to reach at the normal operating temperature just before starting driving your car. This is green coolant temperature warning light. This indicates that an engine temperature is normal and nothing you have to do. No action here is required. This is normal, don't panic. This is yellow coolant temperature warning light. This indicates that an engine is going to overheat. If this light illuminates on your car dashboard, here there is some more action you have to perform in order to avoid an engine problem, because you know that engine overheating, or if an engine is overheating, this can cause several damage inside of an engine and improper functions of different components inside of an engine. So let's show you the different action you have to perform if this light illuminates on your car's dashboard. The first action you have to perform is to open your car's hood and check the coolant level in the reservoir. Coolant level in the reservoir must be filled between maximum lines and minimum lines. As you see, a coolant reservoir is transparent and object. You can see a level of a coolant. So coolant must not be above maximum level and must not be below a minimum level. This means that a coolant must be between maximum level and minimum level. This is where a coolant have to be filled. If this is not the case, you have to add a new coolant in your reservoir. If yellow coolant warning light is coming on, check also leakages on radiator or on hoses and water pump, or loosen pump drive belt and make sure that upper and lower hose radiator are properly connected. So let's jump on red coolant temperature warning light. Red coolant temperature warning light. This indicates that your engine is overheating or has been overheated. It is having excessive heat than usually or an engine operating temperature range. So stop your vehicle immediately in order to avoid several engine problems. This indicates that your engine has been completely overheated. So what to do if this red coolant temperature warning light comes on? Here there is some action you have to take. Check a coolant level. If a coolant is between minimum and maximum lines, this indicates that there is no problem. You have to check an leakage among a cooling system components. Check the condition of radiator pressure cap if the pressure gauge. Check for fault coolant warning sensor. Check your radiator for leakages. Check your thermostat if it is functioning properly. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Those are the main things you have to check if those warning lights have been illuminated. If you see that this video is useful, please make share and remember to subscribe to this channel for getting more useful content. Thank you.